Nasa akin pa yung floor, Mr. Chair.
Paano mo nalaman sa iyo pa ang floor?
Pare sila singit na singit eh.
Pinasisingit mo kasi. Wag ka na magpasingit. You continue. Senator Erwin Tulfo, who came at 8:39 a.m. this morning. Congratulations. Senator J.B. Hercito came at 8:40. Senator J.B. Hercito, the good one. Senator Jinggoy Estrada, the bad one, came at 9:09. Meron akong mga ilang pa rito. Si Senator Jinggoy, Senator Rapi, isa na lang ang natira, kaya pasisirox natin ito. Bigay mo na lang sa kuya mo. Kuya mo naman si Senator Rapi.
Mr. Diskaya, sa dami-dami mong binanggit na pangalan na kongresista, silang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Safe ka na.
Sigurado po.
I resent that statement, Mr. Chair. I resent that statement.
Safe ka na.
She rise, but put it on so good and make sure she call she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with this eyes. Come in around to make them girl roll out them eyes.